In this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly wire up the Neco WRS1000 garage or shutter door controller. Before we start, I need to point out the official operating instructions. There are two key points which are incorrect. It says here that if you're not using a safety device, you need to link out terminals 19 to 21 and 17 to 21. I'm going to point them out here, at this point here. That is in fact incorrect. The correct switches to link out, we found, are 17 to 19 and 17 to 21. Also, there's another discrepancy within the operating manual, the official operating manual. It says when you wire the motor that terminal 6 should be brown blue up, which is correct. Terminal 7 is incorrect. Terminal 7 should actually be neutral, which is the black wire. So terminal 7 should be the black wire. Terminal 8 is brown or blue down. Okay, you got that. The yellow and green earth, terminal 9, that is correct. The unit comes with two keys. The controls on the keys are garage up or shutter up and shutter down. There's also a stop button, and this one here on the left is a lock button in case you just want to lock the buttons so they don't work. This button will also unlock the buttons whenever you're ready. The remote fob is easily controllable and can be paired very easily if it hasn't come pre-paired by using the learning button. You press the learning button. When you press the learning button, keep your finger on it. This signal light will start flashing green. After the signal light starts to flash green, what you do is you repeatedly press the up and down keys on the remote control, and that should then find and link you to the WRS remote, and everything should be hunky-dory from there. Now, let's go into the video. Good evening, folks. Today we're here to talk about wiring up the Neco WRS wireless remote system. This one replaces the Neco Mark 1. It's a much better system, and what it's for, it's to operate the opening and closing of your garage doors or garage shutters. As you can see, it comes with a handy light at the top. This is a unit here. We have the top open. If I close the top, you can see on it, a handy little feature is it has buttons on it. It has a button here so you can press them to open the button to open the garage up or down. So if I press the down button, as you see, the garage is going down. If I press the up button, you can see the garage is going up. Beautiful system. Right, it also has a stop button in the middle. Okay, now to the wiring, the fancy part. It's really easy to wire. It comes pre-wired to the mains. The mains are the first three here, positive, earth and neutral. And as you can see, if you follow the wires down, they're actually wired to a plug. So it comes pre-wired, which makes it very easy to install indeed. So this gets wired directly to your three pin mains plug for a 240 volt supply. Apart from that, the only other connections you have to make are the connections to your garage motor. And the garage motor connections are usually in 4 colors. I'm going to point to them here. It's the second block, or I should say the third block. The second two, these two wires here, are already pre-wired as well. The unit comes with those pre-wired. And these are wired to the light, to this light up here. Handy little feature. What happens is as soon as you press the button, your garage door goes up or down, the light comes on. This light comes on, which is a handy feature if you're just coming into your garage from a night out. So we'll actually turn the light on for you. The light stays on for 180 seconds, which is 3 minutes, which is adequate time for you to get your car in and do whatever you have to do. Anyway, back to the wiring. The only other wiring to do is the wiring to the motor, which is quite easy. Wiring to the door motor is usually, it's usually a 4-core wire, brown, black, blue, and green, which is earth. So your brown goes to this terminal here, which is terminal 6. The black wire next to it goes to terminal 7. The blue wire goes to terminal 8. And the earth wire goes to terminal 9. So it's that simple. The 4 wires come from the motor, your earth wire, the blue and the brown, these are for the door up and down. So if you do fit it and you find when you press the up button, it's going down, or vice versa, you're pressing the down button and it's going up, all you need to do is swap around these 2 wires here, the blue and the brown. In my case, it's grey, but in most cases, you'll find it's either, this one's either blue or grey. So you swap these 2 wires around if your door is moving in the wrong direction once you press the buttons. And it's that simple. See, the light's just gone off now because we've been here over 3 minutes. If I press the manual control, you can see the light's gone back up, on. Garage door going down, so we've got another 3 minutes. Hopefully this won't take that long. The only other thing to consider on these boxes is if you're not using the safety beams, because they can come with a photo sensor, which is an additional part, and also various other add-ons which you have to make your garage door more funky. There are safety sensors in case the door's coming down and you want the door and something's obstructing the door and you want it to stop in case there isn't obstructions. There are photo sensors and other safety measures you can buy like that. But if you're not using those safety measures, what you need to do, which is very important, is you need to loop out these connectors here. So we're talking about connectors number 17. So you loop 17 to 21, which is the last one, and you also loop 17 to 19. So that's a loop on here, 17 going to 19, and also a loop going from 17 to number 21. That is if you're not using the safety feature. If you don't have these looped, then you'll find that your unit will not work. Also, the other handy thing about this unit is it has a timer, just in case you want your door to go, garage door to close automatically after a certain period of time. I think the maximum time is, let's have a look, is 3 minutes. So if, for instance, you drove your car in and you didn't want to have to shut the door manually, you can program the Neco WRS1000 unit to close after 180 seconds. Or you can determine what time, how long, up to 3 minutes, how much time you need before your door closes automatically. Obviously, I don't want that. So if you don't want that section to work, all you do is you put plus and minus. It has plus and minus buttons, by the way, minus, plus. All you do is you stick that figure to number 1, and then you'll find that you'll operate without using that function. That's about it, folks. If you like the video, please give us a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. So hope this was useful for those who are trying to wire up one of these boxes like I have been trying to, and I have just succeeded. And that's it. So what's left to do now is just to put the cover on, screw her up, and Bob's your uncle. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye-bye.